You can get best ideas from this video. Hope your Xmax is would be wonderful. So viewers, now we dive into the beautiful designs of Xmax tree. Welcome dear friends to the magical season of joy and light. Xmax is not about just gifts and celebration, it's about love, togetherness and creating memories. And what is Xmax without a beautiful tree? So let's have a look designs. You can take ideas from this video. Today let's explore how to decorate a Christmas tree at home step by step with ideas that are simple, creative and full of festive power. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. The Xmas tree is the heart of the home during the season. Whether you have a real pine tree and its fresh fragrance or an artificial tree that can reuse every year, both bring magic to your living room. Choose the size according to your space. Small tree look cozy on tables, white tall ones stand proudly in the corner. So whatever you want to make, you make very beautiful, glowing with holiday cheer. Before decorating, make sure the tree size stands firmly. Cover the base with a beautiful cloth, a festive skirt, or even a basket. This not only hides the stand but also adds charm to the overall look. Think of the base as the stage, it holds the entire performance together. Lights bring the life in the tree. Start by wrapping fairy lights and LED strings around the tree from bottom to top. Warm yellow lights create a soft and cozy feelings, while colorful lights add energy and joy. Make sure the lights are evenly spread, like tiny stars twinkling over every branch. When you switch them on, the whole room will glow with Xmax power. Now comes the most exciting part, the ornaments. Hang shiny balls, candy cans, cinnamon sticks, beautiful balls, add in snowflakes, some pictures, colorful balls, mixed ball and small ornaments to create balance. Place your favorite pieces at eye level where everyone can see them, so they know about that how welcoming you are. Don't forget to add some personal touches like frame, photographs, notes, beautiful notes, maybe handmade decoration, family photos or little notes of gratitude. These details make your Xmas tree unique and filled with love. Next, wrap garland, beads or ribbons around the tree. This tree everything together and adds movement through the design. Choose golden for elegance, red for tradition or silver for a frosty winter look. Ribbons cascading down the tree look like streams of joy flowing from top to bottom. Finally, the crown of the tree, the topper, it could be a shining star reminding us of the star of Bethlehem, or it could be an angel symbolizing peace and blessing. Place it gently at the very top. This is the finishing touch that makes your tree complete and powerful. Hope you like these designs and ideas. These tips are very useful for you if you want some designs to make. Take